we are live with Jack Timmy to give you that melody. So stay tuned and join us.
I love you. You understand? See, anytime I see you like this, it's as if I should collapse. As in, my mind go just sweet me. I don't pursue you since. Now I go just do like say no be human being they follow you talk. Reason me. Give me a chance. Let me come into your life and show you that the way to heaven is just straight one way like this. No time.
This man! Now your life they like this.
See, seriously, if you give me a chance.
And you thought say you make I give you a chance so that you go collapse. Go die, no near me. I say I don't need you. I don't need boyfriend.
I don't even have your number. Okay, please, can you give me your number?
Number kill you, dear.
Thunder fire you there.
Give me a chance. Let me show you love. Let me show you that the way to heaven of love is just one way, direct. I will take care of you. I mean it because anytime I cannot do without thinking about you. I see you in my dream.
Not be juju be that.
Please, I need you. I can die for you. I can kill somebody for you. As I am now, forget my body stature, forget anything. I can protect you. If I just wish you
70 years old man.
Give me the chance, please.
To show you what I can do for you.
Stop stalking me. I don't like.
Look into my eyes and tell me that you cannot see anything good.
The only thing I see is a stupid boy standing in front of me that Ogun will fire very soon. You're mad.
I am too much. You be mumu. You think say you wise?
Stop following me.
We are live with Jack Timmy to give you that melody. So stay tuned and join us wherever you are watching us from. We love you. Even Jack Timmy. Let's go.
Me. I don't like it. Stop following me. You're stalking me. I don't like it. Hey, look, babe, look at this guy. I've told him time without number he should stop disturbing me, but he won't stop.
Is it that chicken?
That is the fool.
This fucking motherfucker.
I've told him time without number to stop disturbing my life and he's still stalking me. I don't like it. Please deal with him for me.
You know the fear face?
A few moments later.
Wait, you see now? For this one, know what you do, eh? Me and my baby would go house. You go to follow us with frog jump. No problem. You know frog jump? Get up and do it. Let me see. No come on. Aha. So wait, baby, come. No let's go. Like mumu man. And then throw the tear gas. If something way bad for this shoe, we just pray.